On today's episode of the latest Tesla news, Tesla is preparing to launch its own in-car voice assistant, and Tesla's next-gen Dojo AI training tile is in production. Tesla is preparing to launch its own in-car voice assistant, according to information in the source code of the latest update. For a few years now, Elon Musk has been talking about Tesla having its own voice assistant inside its vehicles. After he launched his own AI startup xAI, Musk suggested that Tesla could work with the company to deploy its chatbot inside its vehicles. It looks like Tesla is now preparing for the launch of its voice assistant. Tesla is currently pushing out its new 2024.14.3 software update, which includes a lot of official cool new features, but there are also things hidden in the code. Green, a Tesla hacker who often finds unreleased features inside Tesla's code, has revealed that some code in the update points to Tesla launching its own voice assistant. Nothing else is known about the new Tesla voice assistant yet, but Musk has previously stated that he wants Tesla drivers to have nothing to input manually inside the vehicle. He wants the car to anticipate the driver's needs, and if it can't, he would prefer inputs through voice command. According to Green Sleuthing, Tesla is also preparing to introduce a native Amazon Music app inside its vehicles. With 2023.14.3, Tesla introduced a native Audible app, which is also an Amazon product. There's no word on the timing for the official release of the features revealed by the update source code. Tesla's next-gen Dojo AI training tile is in production, according to supplier Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company Limited, TSMC. Tesla has been heavily investing in AI training compute power, both through buying NVIDIA hardware and building its own under its Dojo program. The first generation of its Dojo supercomputing platform went into operation last summer. Shortly after, it was reported that Tesla had expanded its partnership with TSMC, a large semiconductor company that manufactures the Dojo chip for the automaker. Now, TSMC has confirmed that Tesla's next-generation Dojo chip has entered production, and they are working on tech that could deliver much greater power to Dojo in 2027 via IEE spectrum. At TSMC's North American Technology Symposium on Wednesday, the company detailed both its semiconductor technology and chip packaging technology roadmaps. While the former is key to keeping the traditional part of Moore's Law going, the latter could accelerate a trend toward processors made from more and more silicon, leading quickly to systems the size of a full silicon wafer. Such a system, Tesla's next-generation Dojo training tile, is already in production, TSMC says. And in 2027, the foundry plans to offer technology for more complex wafer-scale systems than Tesla's that could deliver 40 times as much computing power as today's systems. This new tile is likely going to be used for Tesla's new planned $500 million Dojo cluster in New York. Separately, Tesla is building a new 100-megawatt data center to train its self-driving AI at Gigafactory, Texas, but we were told that this system is going to use NVIDIA hardware. Tesla's Dojo program hasn't been all smooth sailing. In December, we reported that two of the top executive engineers behind the program left the company.